Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited because as you know, I have my little series, Jack Snacks, and today is kind of like a totally different version of that. You guys know that I call myself the snack queen. I love to snack. Recently, I've been on a very intense anti-inflammatory diet, so this is gonna be a major cheat for me. I wanna say thank you to Bussin' Snacks for reaching out to me and sending me all of these insanely unique, crazy, some look really good, some look really questionable, some look kind of low-key disgusting, but they're from all over the world. I cannot wait to dive in and try all of this. Hopefully I don't get too sick because I do have dinner plans in 2 hours, so fingers crossed. But today, it's not just gonna be me trying all these snacks. I'm gonna have some very special guests, the most exciting special guests I've ever had on my show in the history of this channel. I have my wonderful boyfriend, my beautiful niece, Sophia, Jada, I have Talia, I have Lolly, I have Tipsy. We are going to be trying all of these snacks today together as a big family and just giving you guys our thoughts. I'm super excited.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's get into the video. All right, so I'm gonna start off with just Jordan and I. We have so many things to taste and sample. I'm kind of stressed. I don't even know where to start. We have savory, we have sweet, we have like gummies. We have some things that I'm really nervous to eat. I'm like, oh God, I should get a barf bag. Let me actually get one. Okay, got my barf bag, medical grade, ready to go. I actually bought these for real because I used to have such an upset stomach. Never actually used one though, but I used to carry them with me everywhere I went because my stomach is that temperamental. Okay, so we're starting off with Wagyu flavored Ruffles from Asia. Very nervous about this, although Wagyu is my, oh.
They got this thing locked down.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I'm trying to open it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's Wagyu.
Got it.
It smells like a regular potato. It smells like a
No,
barbecue
it does
potato
not,
chip.
Jordan.
You don't
That
think so?
smells like-
It smells like a barbecue
That
potato
smells
chip.
like steak to me. Am I shaking? I'm like nervous. Cheers.
Oh my God.
It tastes like steak.
This is the best potato chip I've ever had.
Tell me.
Not gonna lie, that slaps. I love that.
That is so good. I love it.
You love that?
It's amazing. Try another one.
Baby, I don't like it.
Oh my gosh, this tastes like the broth of
I don't
ramen.
like it.
That is so good.
All right, so it's a no for Jaclyn. It's a big thumbs up for me in these
Big
three.
thumbs up.
There's a Lay's one that's the same thing.
A Lay's Wagyu.
Okay. A Lay's version. Well, they really make it difficult to open up these bags, I will say that.
Lays are probably my favorite chips.
I'm gonna have to go with the Ruffle because the texture, let's be real.
It's always better
I
than
like
Lay's.
Doritos better.
See, this is so thin.
Okay, hold on.
It's like tissue paper.
Ooh, I got a big
That's
one.
what's so good about them. They're so like airy.
I like this one.
It's good, but not as good as the Ruffle.
The
I
Ruffle
like
has
this
more
one.
flavor.
I don't like this. This just tastes like raw meat.
It does.
You
Oh
can
my
really
God. taste the steak in there. The aftertaste isn't good.
So Jada wants to try these cucumber Lays because she loves cucumbers so much. The packaging is actually so cool.
And I love Lays, so combination's great.
I think this is not gonna be good, but I'm willing. Oh my God, that smells like straight artificial cucumber.
that smells just like cucumber. You can taste the cucumber. I like it.
You need a drink?
You don't like it?
I'll be fine. This is not it.
Not the vibe.
Not for me.
You're still eating it? I like it.
Try it off camera.
Blech.
No one likes it. No one likes it except Jada. Let's go next.
Next.
This is my niece, Sophia. You guys have
Hi.
seen my sister, Rachel, on my socials for years, but I've never had anyone in a video before. But this is my sister's daughter with the thickest, most luscious head of hair in the entire world. Look how awkward she is right now. Oh, so.
I want to try the Takis lollipops.
Okay, so it's Takis Fuego with chili powder to dip. Oh my gosh, this is so weird.
I'm kind of scared of how spicy it's gonna be.
This is so crazy. It's literally inside the bag. It's just like loose chili powder. And then it's just like this Taki lollipop that you like dip
I'm
in.
kind of scared.
Cheers.
Well, I like that.
It's good.
Yeah, it is spicy and it tastes amazing.
It's a candy version of Takis.
It tastes like tahini.
It does taste like tahini.
I bet you that's what it is. I bet you it's tahini.
If I was a kid, I would die for this. This is really good.
I definitely prefer normal Takis. I mean, it has the taste, but it's just like the lollipop. It just doesn't.
So you
mix well.
don't like it anymore.
I like the
You
taste.
can be honest. Do you like it, yes or no?
I don't know.
You gotta make a decision on this show, girlfriend. She's back. She's got She's got some confidence.
Okay, the taste is okay, but like the lollipop, it just like has like a weird texture. Like after you lick off all the spice and powder, it just have like a really weird texture, and it's like not grainy. I would expect it to be more grainy, but it's not really grainy at all. And it's just like kind of weird, and it gets kind of slimy after, and it's just kind of gross.
We love a professional reviewer. Thank you so much. Okay, so I feel like a total fool, but these are Cheetos. Torcedillos? Oh gosh, I need to learn. I want to try these so bad because I have a feeling they're gonna be yummy and spicy Cheetos, which I love flaming hot Cheetos so much. Flaming hot Cheetos are my weakness. Oh my God, I'm gonna like these.
I'm kind of scared.
Okay, cheers.
Oh, I like these.
We have a winner.
These are good.
Do you see my dogs?
Oh my
Oh, okay, no, you can't have this, baby girl. It's light, it's airy, it tastes like a regular Cheeto, but just seasoning. It's not a flaming hot Cheeto, it's somewhere in between a regular Cheeto and a flaming hot. It's got like really good flavor, but it's totally different than a Cheeto I've ever had. We're gonna stop eating this, we're gonna get full.
Oh yeah. I keep forgetting that we have
This is the first one so far that I'm like, wow, I would genuinely eat this.
Oh yeah.
You gonna try it? You don't like it?
I love
Tastes like fake cheese to me.
What? Okay, how did you like the Wagyu chips and not that? Stop eating! You're gonna lose your appetite for dinner. So next, I feel like I have to try this with Jordan because Jordan and I, we love crab so much. We eat it all the time. These are Lay's fried crab flavored.
I mean, come on.
I will be honest, my DMs, when I showed this a couple of days ago, my DMs said that this is absolutely disgusting and we're gonna hate it.
I'm not a Lay's fan, to be honest. Like, to me, that's like
But still, the flavor.
the
Let's
weak
find
man's
out.
chip. Let's do it.
That smells like a rotten seafood boil. Like the way our kitchen smells after crab night the next morning when we don't clean up the sink.
Oh, God.
hold on.
That just smells like low tide,
Okay,
baby.
it might be better.
Low tide.
Okay, cheers. Oh my God, I'm not kidding. This is
That's disgusting.
Do we have a paramedic on set?
Cheers. Cheers.
Try it out.
It's not bad.
It's not gag worth.
Yeah, it's not gag worth.
Oh, you just got called out!
I was joking. I didn't gag.
Are you guys kidding me?
We might just be hungry, but it isn't that bad.
It's not terrible. It is not bad at all.
No!
My biggest nightmare in the entire world, ketchup Doritos. Anyone knows anything about me, it's ketchup and mustard. I will eat ketchup with certain things, but just like ketchup in general by itself grosses me out so much. Oh my God, I'm not kidding. Nope, that smells like off-brand ketchup, not even Heinz. Sad, pathetic. Oh my God, I feel so mean. People said that this is like a big thing in Canada in my DMs. Your eyes are watering.
Oh, it's bad.
I'm not kidding, I feel queasy, I swear to God.
You're so- It tastes like if you were to grab a spoon and put off-brand ketchup on it.
But like expired ketchup.
It gets gross at the end, but initially it wasn't that bad, but afterwards.
I feel bad for like offending anybody who loves these, but this is the worst Dorito I've ever had in my entire life. I'm gonna be honest. We need to redeem ourselves. Mexican tacos Doritos.
This is what I wanted to try too. Oh my gosh.
Wardrobe malfunction.
I was like, woo! Okay, sorry. I know.
Yes.
I keep looking down there because I look so pretty. Anyways.
I know I'm gonna like this.
The taco on the cover
Ooh,
looks
that
pretty
smells
good.
good.
Let me
Grab
smell
one.
it. Oh yes.
Cheers. Oh my God! Get in here. This
Oh,
is the
it's
best
good.
chip I've had so far. I literally feel like I'm eating a taco bowl.
Oh my gosh. That is divine.
If you made out with Taco Bell,
Oh yeah.
that's what it is.
That is so good.
I taste like
that-
sour cream.
Okay, enough. You're gonna ruin your appetites for dinner. Get off set!
Okay.
These are Cheetos dipped in chocolate. It says they are churros dipped in chocolate by the Cheetos brand from Asia. Once again, absolutely. All right. I was expecting them to look like they did on the cover, but they're brown. Cheers. They're amazing.
I don't know how to put it into words.
Look at the way my dogs are looking at me right now. Guys, don't fill up.
That's like a theme park churro.
It is good.
That's
So
fire.
good.
Can I get a oh yeah?
We're the weirdest family ever. The internet is not ready.
Little truffle action right here.
Lay's truffle flavored chips. Ooh, that smells like truffle.
Straight truffle.
Cheers.
Whoa, that's a lot. Oh,
I love it.
that's strong.
I love it.
I like truffle, but that's a lot.
I will say it tastes like artificial truffle, but I like it.
I want you to imagine
Pass it around.
licking the inside of a VCR. 1, 2, 3.
That's interesting.
Oh my God, it tastes like the Mosquito Man. The guy that drives around and sprays all the stuff in the air for the mosquitoes, that's what it tastes
So
like.
it tastes like chemicals.
Yes. Next, we've got some barbecue Cheetos. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, this is vibing.
That's a Cheeto?
Cheeto.
That is so airy and fluffy.
Like if you could take ribs and throw them in a hot air balloon, this
That-
is what it would taste like.
It's the perfect description, actually.
Yeah.
This is my moment. Even when I saw their website, this was the one I was the most excited for. It is the Cheetos Mexican street corn. I love elote so much. Oh my God, I'm so ready for this. I feel like this is something that I would buy in a huge bag, just like expecting to enjoy. But it says tangy, spicy, and cheesy. Cheers.
I gotta spit it out. I'll go.
It tastes like cleaning products.
Oh, the aftertaste is gross.
That was not the vibe. Really excited for
I'm
that one.
so sad.
I was excited.
I like had the highest expectation for this one, honestly. Okay. So first I want to try the hot and spicy Lays. Cheers.
Chaz.
Ooh, that's got a kick.
Oh yeah, it's hot.
It's getting spicy.
Oh my goodness.
That's hot. I wasn't expecting that to be that hot. It's really hot.
She needs some milk.
She needs some milk. So now we are gonna go in. I'm so used to my product,
makeup?
my makeup products. I know. Peach grape Oreos. Oh my God.
Of course. Have a great muffin.
So let me try this
They're
thing.
gagging. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good luck.
It's not bad.
I just want to give a special thanks to everybody in my family who just spit out all their Oreos in my toilet and didn't flush. And then I went in there and went pee and stood up and turned around as I was flushing. And I was absolutely terrified of what came out of my body. Thank you so much, ladies. Learn how to use a proper toilet. Moving on. Booyah. This is gonna be good. It has to
Yes.
be. Twix is one of my favorite candy bars.
Same.
Okay, cheers. It's not good. It's the texture for me.
It just doesn't taste like Twix.
I knew it would come in handy at some point. It's like you would think it's gonna be a wafer, but it's just hard as a rock.
By the end, it tastes good.
Ew, that does not taste like Twix.
I don't like it. Don't ruin your appetite. Now we have, I don't even know what this brand is, Walker's Max Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Wait a minute. Is that like a cheap Lay's logo?
It looks like Lay's. It looks like the exact same logo.
Sus?
Sustainable for vegetarians.
Sustainable.
Sustainable.
It smells like peppercorn and ass. Like a pet store. Like it smells like a hamster wheel.
It really does. Ready? Cheers.
Okay, but wait. It tastes like the mashed potatoes from KFC.
It does!
That's what it tastes like. It's a mashed
It
potatoes.
tastes like the gravy. What's it called?
Mmm.
It's called Kentucky Fried Chicken. It should have
It
called
tastes
it.
like the gravy, yes.
It's got that like that little kick that like brown gravy has from KFC. It's got like that little kind of kick, not spice, but
It's like a peppery gravy.
it's gravy, baby. Okay,
Hot and spicy sun chips.
from Asia.
I love sun chips, low-key.
I love sun
High
chips.
key.
The garden salsa sun chip.
Yeah, those are hitting differently. It smells like a regular. It tastes like garden salsa.
No, garden salsa is a lot better. I don't like this because it's just so sweet.
Literally, zero spice.
Cheetos bolitas.
Beautiful, yes, bolitas.
You know?
Shout out to all my Spanish brothers. One,
two,
two.
three. I love this.
I mean, it's good. Yeah, a little spicy ball in your mouth.
I love little spicy balls in my mouth.
Ooh, I love it. Oh,
That was close.
So now we're gonna try these Pokemon sticks. Cheers.
That's good.
This is amazing. So this is like a chocolate wafer stick.
Japanese steak Cheetos. Hey, that's really not bad. Raspberry mousse Oreos.
Cheers.
Well then, nope. Didn't love that.
Grab a
Hit me,
glass,
hit me,
ladies.
hit me.
Grab a
What is
glass.
Oh, God!
What is this?
Grab a glass.
It's a Skittles drink.
This is gonna be gross. This smells like a sugar foot.
No, thank you.
No. Okay, so this one literally does not have any English on it whatsoever, so I don't know what it is, but it just says Cheetos, and it looks like it's got a lot of flavor. There's like a hot wings and like fried chicken down here, so I don't know. No. Cheetos turkey. That's literally what it says on the back. Gobble, gobble. That's not that bad. Ladies, what should I try next? This is Kit Kat Mini Matcha. Nope.
It's like wheatgrass. It's matcha.
Oh yeah, it does taste like that.
Wash it down with this gooseberry Fanta.
No, thank you.
No. Ah. Can I spit in the bag?
Yeah.
Bye.
I don't recommend this.
Danish cheese Ritz crackers.
It smells like hot Swiss ass.
Yes. Oh my
Okay. Now you dance. Next, we are gonna be doing the Fruits Skittles Giants. They are Skittles that are 3 times bigger, so obviously they're gonna slap.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, it's amazing. It's a giant Skittle.
Like there's a skill, they're giant.
It's amazing. This one is a Gummy Skittle. Ready? Cheersies.
Cheers.
I don't like the flavor I got, but the texture is good. You're gonna ruin your appetite. No. Okay, what is this?
Oh my gosh.
You guys, we didn't even read the label. You guys are just ripping into it. Hold on. Okay, so this is a mini wafer Oreo.
Ooh. I love how cute it is.
This is so cute.
Look at it.
Amazing. Amazing.
That wafer slaps.
There's nothing really over here.
We got this.
Peach Parfait Kit Kat.
Oh,
No.
again, ladies, flush the toilet. I thought, but I didn't flush the toilet because I thought it was automatic because Aunt Jaclyn spit hers in there. And I was like, oh, like it's just gonna flush on its own. But anyway,
She just assumes my toilets to flush by themselves. Cheers. Don't forget to flush. Okay, guys, so that is it for this video. There were definitely some hits. There were several things that I personally would actually put in my pantry and eat as my guilty pleasure snacks. There were other things, as you saw, that will now be triggering for me. So, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, hanging out with me and my family, my nieces, the love of my life. We're gonna do our last and final cheers. We are drinking, what is it?
chalky milk.
Mars chocolate milk, right?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
I guess so.
Like, it doesn't say anything else? Like,
Nope,
that's the
just
official?
Mars.
Okay. Mars
Extraterrestrial, baby.
bottled chocolate milk. So cheers to you guys. Thank you for watching. I
Thanks
hope you
for-
subscribe. And
Like and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. That's actually good.
I like it.
I like it too.
I'm not mad at it.
I'm not mad at this.
Not mad at it.
I'm not mad at it, but it's
That's
water.
good. That's really good.
It's not.
I spilled it on
I'm
myself.
shocked. I like that. Okay. Now we're gonna go to dinner and we're gonna eat real food. Do you guys still have appetites?
Not really.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. No.
I'm gonna vomit.
Bye.
We'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to flush.
Yes. Bye.
I know how much you love food. I understand that it's your number one passion, samesies, but sometimes you don't get what you want, okay?
We flushed, okay?
Oh, you want a snack? I'll give you a f***ing snack. Right here, I got a caramel center. It's because the center of me is soft and sweet. But the exterior, metrosexual.
Doing?